Before you can build anything in Blender, you need to know how to move around your scene. In this video, you learn 3 essential controls: orbit, pan, and zoom. Once you get these down, navigating Blender becomes much easier. Let's start with orbit. Orbit means rotating your view around the scene. You can orbit around your scene or around your object by holding down the middle mouse button, which is the scroll wheel, and then just move your mouse around. You can now look around your object from every angle. This is how you can explore your 3D scene. Next up is the zoom. As in most of the softwares or games, zooming is done by the scroll wheel on your mouse. Scroll forward to zoom in and scroll back to zoom out. Essentially, you can also hold down Ctrl, middle mouse button, and move your mouse in or out to zoom either in or out. I kinda like this zoom because it's so smooth. Now let's talk about panning. Panning moves your view sideways or up and down without doing any rotating. And how to pan? Hold down Shift and middle mouse button and then move your mouse. But one thing that you see right now is that you are no longer focused on your object because you are now somewhere else in the scene. How to refocus on your object is click on it and press period key on your keyboard. And this will refocus on your object. But let's say that you don't have a numpad on your keyboard. Let's go back away from our object, and if we want to focus then without the numpad button on the keyboard, click on the object, go up top to view, and then click on frame selected. And now we have refocused on our object. If you want to use different viewpoints, then you can also use this gizmo up here on the right side. And as you can see, they all have keyboard shortcuts, so you can just hover above them and see what the shortcuts are. And this is a perfect way to go to the top view, from the side view, and so on. Now let's quickly just repeat what we just did. Middle mouse equals orbit, scroll wheel equals zoom, shift plus middle mouse equals pan, and this gizmo up here will help you to go through different viewpoints. Once you're comfortable with orbiting, panning, and zooming, Blender becomes so much easier to control. Take a minute to practice this before moving on, it will actually help you a lot. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Take care, bye bye.